National Small Industry Day, 30th August. National Small Industry Day is observed every year on 30th August in India to commemorate the effort taken to provide balanced burgeons to existing small, medium and large-scale enterprises to support and alleviate small industries. It seeks to provide assistance for setting up new industries to uplift the state's financial health. The industry is privately owned by small corporations or manufacturers with slender resource power. Small-scale industries contribute to local employment opportunities and also raise industrial productivity and exports, which has a remarkable impact on the Indian economy. These small-scale industries make an investment in machinery plants at once, which does not exceed 1 crore. History. An extensive policy package was announced for the SSI sector on 30th August 2000, which provided a substantial measure of support to small businesses in India. It was then decided that the ministry would commemorate 30th August of every year as SSI Day. The Ministry of Small Scale Industries organized an SSI Small Scale Industry Convention for SSI entrepreneurs on 30th of August 2001 in New Delhi, and a presentation of the National Awards function. The program was divided into 3 sections, that is inauguration, distribution of national awards and an open house discussion. It was declared that the extensive policy package announced by the Prime Minister last year has met most of the needs of the sector. Role of small-scale industries. This small-scale industry accounts for almost 40% of the total goods and services produced in the Indian economy. The industry has an opportunity to earn wealth and provide employment to other people. The role of small-scale industries in Indian economy is employment. SSI provides employment for everyone across the nation. Due to the limitation of technology and scarce resources, they tend to use manpower and labor for production activities. Total production. The enterprises accounts for about 40% of the total production in goods and services in India. They are one of the reasons for uplifting and strengthening of the economy. Make in India. Small-scale industries are the best examples for this initiative that focuses on the mission to manufacture products in India and sell it worldwide. Export contribution. India's export industry majorly depends on these small industries for their growth and development. Nearly half of the goods were exported from India and manufactured or produced by these industries. Public welfare. These industries have a chance to earn wealth and initiate employment for everyone across India. SSIs are also important for social growth and development of our nation. Objectives of small-scale industries. To create and initiate employment opportunities, to help in developing the rural and less developed regions in the economy, to reduce regional imbalances, to ensure optimum utilization of unexploited resources of the country, to improve the living standards of people, ensure equal distribution of income and wealth, to resolve unemployment issues, to attain self-reliance, to adopt the latest technology focusing to produce better quality products at lower prices. Loan schemes introduced by Narendra Modi for small industries. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has implemented 6 loan schemes for the small-scale industry sector. They also help with per capita income and resource utilization in the nation. They are MSME business loans in 59 minutes, Mudra loans, Credit Guarantee Fund Scheme for Micro and Small Enterprise, National Small Industries Corporation Subsidy, Credit Link Capital Subsidy Strategy for Technology Upgradation, and alternative quick business loans from the lending cart. Number of small industries in India. In small-scale industries, manufacturing industries have observed fast growth due to the natural supply of raw materials and increasing demand in public. There are 21 major small-scale industries in India and they are manufacturing more than 7,500 products. Few of them are cotton textiles, electrical and machinery parts, food products, chemical products, rubber and plastic products, metal products, wood products, paper products and printing, leather and leather products, beverages and tobacco. How is the National Small Industries Day observed? National Small Industry Day is celebrated in a different theme every year. Innovative product designs are displayed in exhibitions. Educative lectures and awareness camps are organized all over the country. National Small Industry Day, as a part of our India Our Pride event Himalaya, wants to create awareness about the importance of small scale.